Hey guys, it's John B here with PhoneArena. So this is a quick hands-on look at the latest true wireless earbuds that JLab's Audio announced today. There are 3 new models. I'm going to go into them, each one separately. I'm going to start off with the most inexpensive one. I got the chance to check it out, but these are just some rendered images to give you an idea of what they look like. These are the JBuds Air Icon true wireless earbuds. They're an upgrade to the JBuds Air that the company sold over the holiday season. This pair is priced at $60, and it's a slight upgrade, similar in design as before, but each earbud has 6 hours of battery life, and the battery charging case that comes with it gives it an additional 18 hours, so a total of 24 hours of battery life. It now features touch controls instead of the physical controls from before, and also features an IP55 sweat-resistant construction, so you can use them for workouts. And they also have custom equalizer settings that you can go through, and these are the most inexpensive pair out of the bunch at $60. Next up, I want to talk about the JBuds Air Sport True Wireless Earbuds. Now, these are for the enthusiasts who love to work out a lot or do a lot of action just because they utilize the usual ear hooks that you find in many sporty styled earbuds. Now, the JBuds Air Sport features 34 hours of battery life, that's including the charging case. It has also a better IP66 sweat-resistant construction, so for intense workouts, it's great. You also have the Be Aware audio, so it allows ambient noise to actually come in, so you can work out still and listen to your surroundings. And they also feature custom equalizer settings. There are 3 total that you could cycle through, and these cost $70. And the last pair I want to talk about are the JBuds Air Executive True Wireless Earbuds. These are the premier earbuds from the company. They're priced also at $70, so relatively affordable still. But these are really neat looking because, as you can tell from the design, they're really meant for people who do a lot of traveling and business. They feature a total of 30 hours of playtime. I like the design because it has almost like a boom mic on them. It kind of juts out a little bit. So it's definitely a more sophisticated looking design than the other models. It has an IP55 sweat resistant construction. You have also the same touch controls that you have on the other models. The battery charging case has an integrated cable, which all of them feature. And this one also has the same equalizer settings as the others, so you could scroll through the 3 different ones if you want, and features dual microphones. So if you're going to be doing a lot of phone calls, this is definitely the pair you want to take a look at. So that's a quick look at JLab Audio's latest offerings in the true wireless space. As I mentioned, they're all relatively affordable, under $100, with the most expensive being $70. So they're a great solution if you're looking for something relatively inexpensive. And if you guys want to learn more about them, you can check out our website, PhoneArena.com. This is John V, signing off.